So friends, yesterday we have seen x-axis, y-axis, and the four quadrants which are established due to intersection of x and y axis. But these two things, x and y, will be considered as axis if you will draw it in 2D phase. If you will refer 3D, then there are four quadrants. Okay, we have seen that quadrant number 1, quadrant number 2, quadrant number 3, quadrant number 4 are established due to intersection of two planes. दो प्लेन जो है x प्लेन और y प्लेन, ये दोनों प्लेन जब एक दूसरे से इंटरसेक्ट हो जाते हैं, एक दूसरे से कट हो जाते हैं और 90 डिग्री का एंगल करते हैं, उसकी वजह से फोर क्वाड्रेंट्स are going to be generated over there. And we have seen that when these two planes are intersecting each other, there is a one line at the intersection, and that particular line of intersection is known as xy line. The x plane is in this particular manner. It is horizontal. Okay, so we are calling x plane as a HP, and the vertical plane, that is y plane, is mutually perpendicular to the x plane, and that's why that particular plane which is vertical in direction, and that is y plane, is known as vertical plane or frontal plane. And friends, today we are going to start learning about first angle projection, second angle projection, third angle projection, and fourth angle projection. Out of this, only first angle projection method we are going to apply throughout this particular system, throughout this particular subject ड्यूरिंग आवर होल सेमिस्टर. इन सारे सेमिस्टर में सिर्फ हमें फर्स्ट एंगल प्रोजेक्शन मेथड ही अप्लाई करनी है. सेकंड एंगल और फोर्थ एंगल वर्ल्ड वाइड कहीं भी यूज नहीं होता है. थर्ड एंगल प्रोजेक्शन मेथड कहीं कहीं यूज होती है. सो आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस ऑल प्रोजेक्शन मेथड टू यू पीपल, out of which only one projection method, that is first angle projection method, we are going to use, we are going to refer in our engineering graphics. Okay, so please be ready with your drawing book, drawing instruments, pen and pencil. Okay, so first of all, I will, or you also have to write the heading in your notebook, and you will have to write that point number 1, first angle projection method. Okay, so we are going to learn first angle projection method today, and for this first angle projection method we are going to refer only first quadrant. सिर्फ फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट जो है हमारे 4 क्वाड्रेंट में से, वो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट हम यहां फर्स्ट एंगल प्रोजेक्शन मेथड में रेफर करेंगे. ओके, सो आई विल ड्रॉ इट in front of you so that you will know how to draw the things. That's why purposefully I am drawing here. I am not going to made it ready-made available. This is y axis, This is y plane. This is x plane. In this way, the first quadrant in a three-dimensional view, three-dimensional format I have drawn. Okay, this is the first quadrant. Now you will have to tell me what is the name of this plane where I am pointing the arrow. What is the name of this plane?
Horizontal plane.
Exactly. This is the HP. Okay, it is horizontal plane. So I will name here as a horizontal plane, HP. Now you tell me what is the name of this particular Y plane?
Frontal plane.
Frontal plane. Yes, vertical plane or frontal plane. Okay. So assume that the observer means the person who is going to look towards that particular diagram, look towards that particular object, that observer you can see or you can experience to the extreme right hand side. It means आपका जो ऑब्जर्वर है वो ऑब्जर्वर किधर रहेगा? इधर रहेगा. This is the observer. Okay, this particular person is going to look towards your object which is kept in this quadrant number 1. ये पहले क्वाड्रेंट में जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट रखा हुआ होगा वो ऑब्जेक्ट ऑब्जर्वर इस डायरेक्शन से देख रहा है, यहां से देख रहा है. ओके, नाउ जस्ट इमेजिन here in this plane there is a one small point. यहां एक स्मॉल पॉइंट बना हुआ है. अब जब ऑब्जर्वर इस पॉइंट को देखेगा तो सामने से उसका जो व्यू आएगा जिसे हम फ्रंट व्यू कहते हैं. सामने से आने वाले व्यू को क्या कहेंगे? फ्रंट व्यू. एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर फ्रंट व्यू यू कैन सी ऑन दिस प्लेन. ये ऑब्जेक्ट है, कंसिडर दैट इज वन बॉल. तो ये बॉल जब आप देखेंगे तो आपको वो कहां दिखाई देगा? यहां दिखाई देगा और 2 डायमेंशन में वो सर्कल दिखाई देगा. दिस इज व्हाट? This is the front view of your object. सामने से जब ऑब्जर्वर देखेगा तो यहां फ्रंट व्यू दिखाई देगा. फ्रंट व्यू यानी ऑब्जेक्ट आपका सामने से कैसे दिखता है. तुम्हाला दिलेला जो ऑब्जेक्ट आहे त्या ऑब्जेक्टला समोरून पाहिल्यानंतर तो कसा दिसेल हे कुठं प्रोजेक्ट होणार आहे? वर्टिकल प्लेनवर. सामने से देखने के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट कैसा दिखेगा, उसका जो फ्रंट व्यू है वो कहां प्रोजेक्ट होगा? वो प्रोजेक्ट होगा वर्टिकल प्लेन पे. ओके, सो वर्टिकल प्लेन मींस दिस पर्टिकुलर वाई प्लेन. which is vertical in direction. Now imagine that this particular observer is looking towards this object from the top side, so that its top view, यानी कि ऊपर से देखने के बाद उसका जो टॉप व्यू है वो टॉप व्यू कहां दिखेगा? हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन पे दिखेगा. इट विल बी ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन द हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन. ओके, यानी कि फ्रंट व्यू कहां दिखेगा? वर्टिकल प्लेन पे. और टॉप व्यू कहां दिखेगा? हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन पे. अब ये बॉल है. ओके, बॉल इज हैविंग स्पीयर शेप. तो स्पीयर को अब जब आप सामने से देखोगे या स्पीयर को जब आप ऊपर से देखोगे तो उसके आउटर एज आपको दिखाई देगी. सो इफ दिस इज अ बॉल, दिस इज अ स्पीयर, इट्स आउटर शेप विल बी अ सर्कल. आउटर एजेस क्या होंगे स्पीयर के? सर्कल ही होंगे. सो वन सर्कल इज विजिबल, its front view is visible in the circle form on vertical plane, and top view will be visible on horizontal plane. It means in a HP. Okay, now is this clear to everybody कि अगर हमने फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट रखा तो उसका फ्रंट व्यू आपको वर्टिकल प्लेन पे दिखेगा और उसका जो टॉप व्यू है वो आपको हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन पे दिखेगा. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी? हैव यू इमेजिन्ड इट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हेलो,
Yes, sir.
I want response of every student. Don't sit idle
Yes, sir.
because this concept is
Yes,
very
sir.
much important. If anybody is unable to understand it, inform me right now only so that I can repeat this particular concept.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
So can you show 3D video of it?
3D
3D image, sir.
3D image of
Video.
what?
This diagram.
3D video. Video we have not recorded yet, but I will go for it, and I'll try to bring it in front of you. Okay, some PPTs
Okay,
are
sir.
also with me, so that PPT also will clear the things. So here there is a front view and here there is a top view of this particular sphere we can see. And now if you want to describe this particular point, how we can describe it? You can name to this particular object, okay, as a point A. Okay, we will name this particular object as a point A. Now we can say that this particular point A is above HP and it is in front of VP. Okay, we can say that this particular point A is above HP and it is in front of VP. ये जो पॉइंट है वो पॉइंट कैसे है? अबाउ HP है और इन फ्रंट ऑफ VP है. इट मीन्स द पॉइंट विच इज अबाउ HP, HP के ऊपर जो पॉइंट रहता है और जो पॉइंट वर्टिकल प्लेन के आगे रहता है वो पॉइंट हमेशा कहाँ रहता है? फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में रहता है. नाउ you want to convert this particular diagram into two-dimensional view because you are drawing it in your notebook. आप क्या कर रहे हो? ये जो डायग्राम है ये डायग्राम आप आपके नोटबुक में बनाने वाले हो. It means you are going to draw it in 2D. And why we are not insisting 3D? Because you need to prepare these all diagrams in a 2-dimensional form, not in a 3-dimensional form. So consider that this is your page. This is the page of your drawing book. And just to tell me one thing, that what is the name of this line where I am showing you the pointer? Name of this line, which is in existence due to intersection of vertical plane and horizontal plane.
Axis.
Is it axis?
XY line.
Yes, it is XY line. Okay, this line is XY line. This is X and this is Y. Okay, so here what I am going to do, I am going to draw a line over here, and I'm going to put a name to this particular line as a XY line. This is X and this is Y. Now the part above XY line, जो XY लाइन के ऊपर का पार्ट है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? उस प्लेन को हम क्या कहते हैं?
Vertical plane.
Exactly, this is the VP. Okay, और जो यहां HP है, उस HP को हम क्या करेंगे? We are going to rotate this plane in clockwise direction for 90 degrees. We are going to rotate this particular HP by 90 degrees. Okay, and when you are going to rotate this HP, when we are going to rotate this HP, then this HP plane will observe in front of you in this manner. तो वर्टिकल प्लेन के एग्जैक्टली नीचे आपका HP आ जाएगा. ओके, और आप देख सकते हैं कि वर्टिकल प्लेन और हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन को XY लाइन ने सेपरेट किया है. ओके, सो दिस पर्टिकुलर VP will observe above XY line, and your horizontal plane, it will lie below XY line. So this is the 2D representation on your drawing book of this first quadrant. Okay, so 2 to 3 things you will have to keep in your mind: that observer is standing right hand side of this your first quadrant. He is looking towards this particular object from that particular side. Its front view will observe on your vertical plane. Its top view will be observed on your horizontal plane, and when you are going to rotate this horizontal plane by 90 degree, then in a same fashion your this top view will also going to be shifted below XY line, and you can see the top view over here. ओके जो टॉप व्यू का पेज था, जो प्लेन था, हमने 90 डिग्री से रोटेट कर दिया। तो 2 डायमेंशनल डायग्राम में आपकी जो इमेज है वो कुछ ऐसी दिखेगी। तो दिस इज योर सर्कल, वर्टिकल प्लेन में है आपका फ्रंट व्यू, देन you can draw its a top view which will be exactly below to this front view. Its projectors are matching. Projectors means imaginary lines. These projectors are matching. Okay, so your front view and your top view will be observed in this way in 2D diagram. Okay, now the third thing is how you are going to describe the location of this point A. In coordinate system, means in 2D system, we were explaining such a position of the point with x and y coordinates. हम क्या करते थे, x और y कोऑर्डिनेट्स का यूज करके हम A पॉइंट की पोजीशन डिफाइन करते थे। बट हियर इन द ग्राफिक्स, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू denote, how we are going to express the location of this particular point, we are going to explain it by the distances. अब मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि these two lines are very much important. The point which is above HP and which is in front of VP, जो भी पॉइंट है HP के ऊपर है और VP के सामने है, such all points are in the first quadrant. Okay, and in first quadrant point is above HP. Okay, ये जो डिस्टेंस है above HP का, okay, suppose it is 5 mm above HP. ये जो डिस्टेंस है कितना है, 5 mm above HP. तो ये जो डिस्टेंस है, ये डिस्टेंस हमें कहां दिखेगा, ये 5 mm हमें कहां दिखेंगे, तो ये 5 mm हमें यहां दिखेंगे। Okay, because we are going to observe to this particular diagram from right hand side of this plane. तो अगर ये 5 mm है, ये डिस्टेंस अगर 5 mm है जो HP के ऊपर है, above HP है, that particular distance will be visible over here. यानी कि above HP का जो डिस्टेंस है वो हमें किस व्यू में दिखता है, वो हमें फ्रंट व्यू में दिखता है। ओके, नाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट इज समथिंग mm इन फ्रंट ऑफ VP. ओके, तो ये VP के सामने कुछ mm तक है। हाउ मच mm इट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ VP? से that it is 10 mm in front of VP. यानी कि ये XY लाइन से 10 mm के डिस्टेंस पे है, and we are going to rotate this plane. That's why XY लाइन से ये जो पॉइंट होगा वो पॉइंट कितने mm डिस्टेंस पे होगा, 10 mm डिस्टेंस पे होगा। यानी कि जो अबाउ एचपी का डिस्टेंस है, ये एचपी अबाउ एचपी का जो डिस्टेंस है वो हमें फ्रंट व्यू में दिखता है, और इन फ्रंट ऑफ वीपी का जो डिस्टेंस है वो हमें टॉप व्यू में दिखता है। इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी?
Yes.
हेलो?
Yes, sir.
The things will be more clear.
Yes, sir.
When we are going to draw it exactly. Okay, this particular point is above HP and something mm in front of VP. above HP और in front of VP का जो point है वो point हमेशा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में रहता है। फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में आपका जो फ्रंट व्यू है वो XY लाइन के ऊपर रहता है, जो आपका टॉप व्यू है वो XY लाइन के नीचे रहता है। फ्रंट व्यू और टॉप व्यू एग्जैक्टली एक दूसरे के नीचे रहते हैं, और जो अबाउ एचपी का डिस्टेंस होता है वो हमें फ्रंट व्यू में पॉइंट लोकेट करने के लिए हम उसका यूज करते हैं, और जो इन फ्रंट ऑफ वीपी का डिस्टेंस होता है वो हमें हमारा पॉइंट टॉप व्यू में लोकेट करने के लिए हम उसका यूज करते हैं। सो नाउ व्हाट यू विल हैव टू ड्रॉ इन योर नोटबुक। ओके, जस्ट आई विल explain the same thing with one point, and then you can draw it in your notebook. Now you are the observer and I want to put a point over here. I'll name this particular point as point P. Now you are looking to this particular point from this direction. Now tell me where the front view of this particular point will be observed. आप इस पॉइंट को सामने से देख रहे हैं तो फ्रंट व्यू कहां आएगा उसका?
Vertical plane one.
It will be observed here. Okay, so you can name to this particular point as P dash. फ्रंट व्यू को हम क्या नाम देंगे? P dash point नाम देंगे। And then where the top view of your point will be observed?
HP.
On HP, the top view of the point will be observed. ओके, और आप इसे क्या नाम देंगे? हम इसे नाम देंगे P, only P. So this P dash is nothing but the front view. And this P is nothing but the top view. अब जब आपका पॉइंट आप यहां एस्टेब्लिश करेंगे, you just look towards palm of my hand, तो it is not visible on the page. So what we need to do? We need to rotate this HP by 90 degree. We are going to rotate it. And how much? By 90 degree. And in which direction? Clockwise direction. Then your page will be observed. And this particular point P also will move in 90 degrees. And it will be observed over here. Means your P point is shifted over here. The line which separates these two views is known by the name XY line. And you can see that front view of point P is exactly below, top view of point P is exactly below to the front view of point P. Means P dash and P point are exactly in one line. They are collinear. Okay. Now above HP distance, ये जो distance है above HP का, वो कहाँ ऑब्जर्व होता है? मुझे ऑब्जर्व होता है वो डिस्टेंस इस P डैश पॉइंट पर, यानी कि फ्रंट व्यू पर. इट मीन्स द अबव HP डिस्टेंस is observed in front view. Okay. And this in front of VP distance it is observed in top view. Now I want to present these 2 points on plane, on page. So I'll draw first of all XY line. Then front view, when I want to draw, I will have to refer which distance? Above HP distance. So above HP distance, I will mark here. Suppose this point is 30 mm above HP. So I will take 30 mm above XY line, and then I will put my point over here. This is my point. I'll name front view. That's why I will name this particular point as a P dash. And exactly below this point, suppose I have told you we will find and we will write the distance. That point P is 30 mm above HP. So this 30 mm distance we can see and we can mark over here. This distance is 30 mm above HP. We are not going to write mm here because all dimension we are going to take in mm only. And suppose the same point is 20 mm in front of VP. ये जो सेम पॉइंट है वो 20 mm इन फ्रंट ऑफ VP है. तो जो इन फ्रंट ऑफ VP का डिस्टेंस है, ये जो डिस्टेंस है इन फ्रंट ऑफ VP का, वो डिस्टेंस ही सी, आई विल ड्रॉ इट विद डिफरेंट लाइन. ये जो डिस्टेंस है इन फ्रंट ऑफ VP का, ये इन फ्रंट ऑफ VP का डिस्टेंस भी 90 डिग्री से रोटेट हो रहा है. So the distance will remain same. So जो इन फ्रंट ऑफ VP का डिस्टेंस है वो कहां होगा? वो टॉप व्यू में होगा. So my point P will lie below XY line, and this distance from XP to point P it will be 20 mm. So this is the representation of the point in engineering graphics as far as first angle projection method is going to be concerned. Okay, so I request you, the thing which I have drawn on the screen, please copy it down in your notebook. Then I will provide the explanation regarding this particular figure, which will be more useful to you people. Okay, can you start drawing it? Have you started it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes.
Yes.
Which one, sir? 3D or 2D?
Yes.
3D or 2D?
Both diagrams, if you are in position to draw, that will be beneficial. I will provide you sufficient amount of time. You please proceed with it. Okay. Write down. In first angle projection method, in first angle projection method, in first angle projection method, the point lies in first quadrant. First quadrant. First quadrant. Its front view will be observed Front view will be observed on VP, and top view will be observed, on HP. On HP. When, next line, when we are describing it on drawing page, then XY line separates VP and HP. VP and HP. VP and HP. VP and HP. The part above XY line, the part above XY line is VP, and the part below XY line is HP. The point in first angle projection method, is presented by some distance, Next line, the point which is in front of VP and above HP in front of VP and above HP is always in first quadrant. then you make star, 3 star, and write in first angle projection method. In first angle projection method, front view is always,
सर परत एकदा सांगा
काय कुठनं सांगू दे?
ते आत्ताची ते इन फर्स्ट
हा, इन फर्स्ट म्हणजे ते 3 स्टार नंतरचं का? हॅलो,
हा सर
हा. So in first angle projection method, the front view is above xy line, and top view is at below xy line, we have drawn the point P which is 30 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP here. Below that line you write down the above HP distance,
सर 20 mm तिथून सांगा जरा.
तुमच्या समोर आहे स्क्रीनवर, 20 mm in front of VP. त्यानंतर मी काय सांगितलंय? द पॉइंट
द
above HP distance.
yes, the above HP distance is visible in front view in bracket above XY line and in front of distance we can observe in front of distance we can observe in top view in bracket below XY line. 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 So this is the introduction of first angle projection method. In first angle projection method, front view is always above XY line and top view is always below XY line. A point and its front view and top view are lying in one line only. Okay, so that part you will have to keep in mind. The point in a first quadrant is always above HP and in front of VP. Tomorrow we are going to start with its revision and I will explain you. There are some points. यहाँ कुछ points होते हैं जो above या in front of नहीं होते हैं. वो point either in HP और in VP होते हैं. तो उस point का projection कैसे करना है, that part we are going to learn tomorrow. So right now I will finish this lecture here only and I will mark attendance. Provide me 2 to